Hello guys, welcome to the HTML crash course for beginners. In this video, we will learn about how to create a list in HTML. My name is Kafui and welcome to my channel mods.dev. Please subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. With that said, let's get started. So for this setup over here, I just have a basic HTML document structure, and in my body, I have this h1 heading element, which is the title of this video. And I open it up in the browser using live server. So this is what I'll be doing in subsequent videos, and I hope by now most of you are familiar with this setup or this structure. Now let's talk about HTML list element. The HTML list element is used to create lists on a website. There are three types of list elements in HTML. The first one we'll talk about is called the unordered list element. The unordered list element creates a bulleted list where each item is marked with a bullet point. So let me just go ahead and do this for you to see. In order to define or create an unordered list element in HTML, you use the HTML UL tag, and in between the opening and closing tag of the UL tag, we put in our list items using the LI tag. So in the LI tag, I'll put in my first list item called HTML. Then on the next line, I'll put in the next list item using the LI tag called Python. So I'm just putting in a list of programming languages here. And then the next one, I'll put in another list item called JavaScript. Then finally, I'll just write this one called what? CSS. And when I save this, you see them appeared in the browser with this bullet point. So this is how we can create an unordered list in HTML. The next list element we'll talk about is called the ordered list element. The ordered list element creates a numbered list where each list item is automatically numbered. So I'll just go ahead and do this for you to see. So in order to create an ordered list item, or in order to create an ordered list in HTML, we use the what? The OL tag, and in between the opening and closing OL tag or ordered list tag, we put in our list items using the LI tag. So I'll just put in the same thing, HTML. Then the next one, I'll put in Python. The next one, I'll put in JavaScript. And then finally, I'll put in what? CSS. And then when I save, so you see that we have this ordered list marked with what? Numbers. So starting from 1, 2, 3, 4. But the unordered list, we have what? Them marked with what? This bullet point. So I'll just go ahead and then put an H3 at the top and say unordered list and save. Good. I'll go ahead, copy this one and put it at the top here and mark it as what? Ordered list. Quickly and save. So we have ordered list, so that you can see the difference. So the unordered list, we have them marked with these bullet points, but the ordered list, we have them marked with what? Numbers. So 1, 2, 3, and it can continue on and on based on your list items. Now the last list element we'll talk about is called the definition list element. This list element creates a list of name and value pairs. So what this means is that in order to create a list of name and value pairs, we use what? The definition list element, and it goes like this. I'll just go ahead, put in my H3 again and write definition list and then save so that we can see it. I have my browser zoomed in. Let me zoom out a little bit. Good. So in order to write a definition list, we first of all write the DL tag, and then in between the opening and closing DL tag, we put in what? Our DT tag. I'll just go ahead and do this. Then we put in our definition term or definition name. So over here, I'll just write, let's say HTML, and then next to it, we put in our DD tag. And then this is where we put in the definition. So I'll just say something like HTML is used for structuring web page, and then save. So with that, you can see this definition list here at the bottom. Okay, let me just go ahead and then comment these ones out so that you see it quickly and do that. Good. So as you can see, we have our first definition term and then the definition value, or the definition name, which is HTML, and then the definition what value. So I can go ahead and then I'll just copy this one down again and then change the definition term here, or the definition name, to CSS, and then I'll just put in a random text here, lorem, using lorem to generate 10 words, random words for us quickly. Then I'll put in CSS here and save, and same time using lorem to generate random text for us. So when I save, so I'll just change this to JavaScript so that we see the difference. So when I save, so this is how we can create what? A definition list in HTML, whereby we have the definition, let me zoom in, whereby we have the definition term or the definition name, and then the definition what? Value. The definition name and then the definition value. So these are the various ways. Let me just go ahead and comment these ones in. These are the various ways we can create a list in HTML. So the one that you use most, for instance, the unordered list element is normally used in creating what? Navigation links in websites. So mostly when you want to create a navigation link in HTML, we use the unordered list, and then we put in the anchor element into, or we nest in the anchor element into the list item tag as what? Our list items. So that is all for this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comment sections for discussion. Please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.